You're looking at a 2012 Toyota Camry Hybrid, 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 134,000 miles. This car is in very good condition. Gets over 40 miles per gallon. Comes loaded up. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, chrome trim, keyless entry, blind spot monitors. Navigation, backup camera, heated seats, moonroof, steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, exact mileage is 134,808. Got the blind spot monitors as well. Rear vents. Florida car. Never seen a New England winter. Most non-smoker. If you have any questions, please give us a call. 508-921-0301. Thank you.